That one's almost a centimeter wide right there. That is cool. Oh my goodness, they are everywhere in here. Are you seeing this one, Mark? Look at this one. Look at that one. That one's almost like a centimeter wide. I mean, that's like... Where? No, it ends right there. Get that one, man. That one's cool. That's a big one. You need to get that to one of your children. That's a good one. That's the best one I've seen so far. I mean, I'm seeing a ton of these little ones, but that one is the biggest one I've seen. And the most intact one I've ever seen. See, I mean, all these little ones are just ubiquitous. Wow.
It's a crinoid.
It's like a sea lily, like a lily pad, and it has a long stem that goes to the surface.
Okay, we got a picture of them here. This is a crinoid right here.
Yes, sir.
It has kind of a root-like. We're finding the little stems, and then there would have been a top that's lily-like. These are very rare.
Show him that piece that you found. Look at that long one we got one that was almost a centimeter wide and 2 or 3 centimeters long.
Yeah, that was a big one.
I know.
Yeah.
I've never seen one.
Part of the stem.
Yeah.
Coming up.
Yeah, that's cool. Thank you. Docs, thank you for taking us out, and if we seem grouchy, we're sorry.
Well, I haven't seen any grouchiness yet.
Well, good. We want to have attitudes of gratitude.
I may be grouchy, but